In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate Google Docs page. If you've ever needed more horizontal space for a table, a wide image, or a slide-style layout, changing your document's orientation is the quickest fix. We'll do this right inside the Google Docs mobile app, and I'll point out what to expect so nothing catches you off guard. Start by launching Google Docs on your device. Give the app a second to load your recent files, then open the document you want to adjust. If you opened it from a shared link or from your recent list, you might land in a read-only preview. To make changes, tap the blue edit pencil in the bottom corner so you're in editing mode. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots menu. This opens the full document options. Scroll down through the list until you see Page Setup and tap it. Page Setup is where Google Docs keeps layout controls such as page size, margins, and most importantly for us today, orientation. Inside Page Setup, tap Orientation. You'll see two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is taller than it is wide and is the default for most documents. Landscape is wider than it is tall, which is ideal for wide charts, side-by-side columns, or images that look cramped in Portrait. Select the option that best fits your content. When you've made your choice, tap the back arrow in the top left corner to exit the orientation screen. Then, confirm the change by tapping the blue checkmark. That checkmark applies your new layout to the document so you can see the updated page width right away. A quick heads up, in the mobile app, orientation applies to the entire document, not just a single page. After switching, skim your content. Tables may reflow, images might shift, and manual line breaks can look different with the new width. If something feels off, resize images, adjust table columns, or tweak spacing so everything fits neatly. If you collaborate with others, the new orientation is saved to the doc and synced for everyone with access. Consider leaving a brief comment to let collaborators know you changed the layout, especially if they're expecting the old look. That's all there is to it. Open your doc, enter Edit Mode, head to Page Setup, choose Orientation, and confirm with the blue checkmark. With a couple of taps, you've rotated your Google Docs page and given your content the space it needs.